high-protein eggs with some of my favorite Mexican food ingredients. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking breakfast and making Mexican food-inspired breakfast quesadillas. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Open a can of refried beans. If the water in the can has separated from the beans, stir them. Until combined. Place 2 to 4 tablespoons of the beans into a bowl and stir. If you are enjoying this breakfast or brunch recipe, like and share it. Check out our channel for other simple recipes. Also, subscribe below so you know when we release new recipes. Grab the salsa and combine salsa with refried beans. Grab 1 tortilla. Spread mixture on it. Spread it to 1/4 inch from the edge and set it aside. What is your favorite tortilla filling combination? Tell us by leaving a comment below the video. Remove seed from an avocado. And scoop out its fruit into a bowl. Squeeze the juice of a lime over avocados and mash. You can also use premade guacamole. Grab the second tortilla, coat it with mashed avocado. Set coated tortilla aside. Over medium heat, spray a skillet with nonstick spray. Coat it with butter. Crack and add eggs. Cover with a lid and cook 2 minutes. Flip eggs. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and ground cumin. Allow eggs to cook until desired doneness and remove from heat. If you have enjoyed this recipe, like and share it. Also, you can help our channel grow by clicking subscribe below the video. Spray a large skillet with nonstick spray. Place bean-coated tortilla in skillet, bean side up. Sprinkle with cheese. Place eggs onto cheese. Add cilantro leaves. Cover with more cheese. Top with avocado-covered tortilla, avocado side down. Cook until brown on both sides. About 3 minutes per side. Remove from heat. Slice quesadilla and serve. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.